The 22nd of May 2017 was the date of the tragic Manchester bombing. 5 hours earlier, I'd been cycling down Bury New Road to my local gym, which is just 5 minutes away from this arena. And there was a car full of girls wearing the Ariana Grande bunny ears on their head. And they were whooping with excitement to everyone who they passed on the street. And I still wonder if those girls were safe. What happened to them? In the immediate aftermath of this disaster, the whole city were feeling intense grief and fear from what had just happened. But without skipping a beat, the city of Manchester kicked into gear. Taxi drivers who were near the arena picked up stranded people, children, parents who were lost, and local restaurants and hotels took people in, giving them a bed to stay and food to eat. I remember the day after the attack, people wanted to know how I can help out, how can we volunteer? And quite simply, there were so many people who had volunteered to give blood that they weren't taking anyone else in. Literally, almost every local service had geared itself up to help the victims and anyone affected in some way, shape or form. 4 years later, and the victims as well as the unity shown by Mancunians is remembered to this day, symbolised by the Manchester B emblem, which you'll see on cars everywhere across the city, and it's a very well-known symbol to show how the city came together to help each other out. And I was reminded of this exact unity since a year and a half ago, where we've seen people from every background, from every part of every industry, use their skills and services and volunteered their help for those who need it most.